Hello guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to access memories on Snapchat. For that, first of all, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After the app opens, here I'm going to take a photo by tapping on big white circle. After I've clicked the photo, I'm going to save it by tapping on the save button. This way, now my photo has been saved to memories. Now tap on the cross icon which is on top left. There in front of a big white circle you can see a gallery icon. Tap on it. This way you can have access to your memories. There you can see the photo which I have just clicked. You can also use the search feature to find specific snaps. This way you can easily access memories on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.